So how many times have you been playing Hitch just to hear that oh so familiar, ooh, I got one, just for the survivors to pop a bone shiv and get completely out of it? Yeah, me too. So I designed this build because I got tired of seeing that all the time. And this is the premise of the build. It's full damage and bleed. So even if a survivor jumps into the trap and breaks it with a bone shiv, they've still taken the immediate damage of the double damage buff, and the bleed will start hitting them as well. And venom starts hitting them as well. So it's a huge punish for them trying to think they can just kind of tank the trap and run. And to be fair, they will be able to move, but it's a huge health commitment. And that's the whole point of this, is to punish people who do that. Because I have been seeing it a lot more. Because I mean, it is a fair, solid way to counter hitch traps, is to just have someone eat it and then bone shiv it and run through. But with this, it makes it a lot more punishing because health is finite on the map. And this does start draining that resource of the survivors a lot more. It also is a soft counter to the perk where when the survivors take a hit, if they haven't taken damage for a short amount of time, they get a large chunk of that health back. I think it's like 75%. This is continuous damage over time, which stops that. So helps with that, puts a big chunk of damage on their health to tax that part of the game, and just kind of, you know, make people think twice about just taking a bone trap and running through. But for the rest of the build, we have Scout, because Scout is just a solid option. The early levels of it are miserable, I know. 30% damage off for 5% move speed feels terrible. I'm not going to lie, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. It's terrible. But once you hit level 3, oh my gosh, you feel like Sonic. You are everywhere on the map at once. And that's why I love this perk. And why I think it's super strong on killers, is because if you've played DBD, you know how much of a difference it is to have that extra bit of speed in a chase as a killer, right? And it plays out here as well. When you are 15% faster, you can get to people before they get into their crawl spaces or get into their walls and all that stuff. And you can go with them through it anyway because you're Hitch. So the second you get out, you're right on their tail again. And like it's a huge amount of pressure that the survivors have to deal with. And it oftentimes forces them to take a well exit. And that's just more damage. So again, theme of the build, you're taxing their health the entire game. Now, to offset the damage reduction of Scout, we're running my personal guilty pleasure perk of Violent. Now, Violent level 3 is a 20% damage buff when you're carrying full blood. So, if you have full blood and you have Scout at level 3, you're positive 10% damage, positive 15% move speed. That's a nice trade, right? Except Grandpa doesn't get fed. That's the problem with this. When you take this perk, you are pretty much committing that Grandpa is going to be starving the entire game. At least if you're playing solo queue. If you're in with a team, obviously you can have someone who is more dedicated to getting blood and allow you to play your selfish playstyle a little better. But in solo queue, like, no one feeds Grandpa hardly, and I usually take it upon myself to feed him. But when I'm running this, Grandpa starves. But, I mean, it also does depend on game state. If there's 4 survivors alive, I'm obviously going to hold the blood for myself so I can try to pressure and, you know, be a damage threat. If there's, like, 2 people alive and none of the objectives have been started, everything is locked up still, yeah, I'll start feeding Grandpa. Because at that point, survivors are playing slower, they're playing stealthy, they're trying to, you know, nitpick here and there, and the sonar helps out, you know, to continue pressure on the map. Plus, it's points for your entire team, which is just nice. Your Grandpa perk, I take Nobody Escapes Hell. You only have 2 on the tree. One's Suffocating Grip. The other one's Nobody Escapes Hell. Suffocating Grip only affects you, and it's a 20% buff to close encounters. Who cares? Nobody Escapes Hell, though, is 40% more difficult locks on every lock on the map. That's a big deal. Because if you do manage to nab one of the Lockbuster characters with a trap, like Connie or Julie, and you're able to, you know, take them out of the game very quick, this 40% is so hard for other people to deal with. Watching the Leland struggle with a 40% more difficult lock is pretty comical. I'll be honest. But that's why we take this over Suffocating Grip. For our points, everything in savagery. We want to be a damage threat. That's the whole point of the build. Blood harvesting, we don't want to put points in that because it makes the blood vial bigger, and we don't want blood bigger. We want it to be full as fast as possible and done. Endurance, I don't really have a problem chasing survivors with endurance on this, I'll be honest. Sometimes I'll run low when I'm like swinging a lot, but it's because I've already swung like 4 or 5 times, so I've already done the damage. And when you're using crawl spaces or walls, you tend to start regenerating stamina during the animation, right? So I put it all into savagery because we want to be a threat. This is what the skill tree looks like. You start from here, go straight up at the junction. Next junction, you hang a left. Keep going. The next junction, you hang a left, grab Venom. And then you go up and you hang a left again and grab this stuff up here. And we hang a left up here and take because Nobody Escapes Hell is up here. And I wanted Nobody Escapes Hell over Wind Doom. Although people are jumping out of windows more on Family House, so maybe Wind Doom might look a little better in the future. But for now, that's the build. Venom is a stationary static perk, so it's always right here. That's why we have to go this direction. Scout and Violent are randomized perks. So you know the drill, roll them, right? And yeah, that's it. You don't get a lot of points in this tree, but you have to take that tree in order to get Venom because it's on that one particular spot. But yeah, I've been enjoying this build quite a bit. It's been a lot of fun, especially because like you'll be chasing somebody after they hit one of your traps. They pop the bone shift and they start running. You know you're falling behind them, and then they'll just face plant because they of the bleed out, and then you get a free kill because they can't run anymore. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed that video, and I hope you guys enjoy the build. This game's gonna be interesting. There was a large amount of trash talk beforehand in the lobby between the Bubba and the Sunny. It was like friendly banter trash talk, but like still trash talk, right? So we'll see how this game goes. I'm excited. I want to see one of them be mad.
Grandpa taught me this little trick.
I will do my best to support my Bubba.
Somebody around here has to.
I'm gonna put my other trap right here. They're all still downstairs.
This'll catch him.
Das ist bei mir im Keller.
Ich bin auch da unten.
Es sind alle im Keller, es ist keiner oben, Leute. Das ist scheiße. Und die Türen sind offen.
Got one of them.
Grandpa's gonna love you. Hey, brother, I'm gonna need your help. Need just some cook anyway.
That's the lock.
Come on.
That's still locked.
Aber der Sonny hat schon richtige Schellen gekriegt.
I do not know what they like. These two are clearly in a group, right? As they are speaking.
Der findet
differently.
richtig irgendwas.
Is that?
Dann bei ihm, glaube ich, ein Gitter dran.
Why keep running?
That's another.
Gehen wir noch wieder.
That's 3.
Time to slow.
I really hope that was the assist that was out there. I don't see how anyone else would have gotten there.
Entladen.
Ja, schön. Das war entspannt, würde ich sagen.
Naja.
We just annihilated.
Good luck.
GG's, boys. Just annihilated them. Oh, man. So,
Hat er nichts mehr gesagt. Oh ja.
true, yeah, I don't know what he just said. But yeah, that was a fun game. I've learned that, like, there are times you shouldn't hold W while you're attacking because like every character but like Sissy like lunges forward when they swing. So if you just let go of your W key, that's what happened with Julie there towards the end. I just let go of my W key, just kept hitting, and you just stand at one place and swing. So you can get like a lot of fast hits off without like overcorrecting and like going past them and shit. It's really nice. But yeah, GG. Alright, and they're loud again, sure.
Hey man, just a heads up, I played these guys last match. They're probably gonna do the same shit. They just jumped up the window and kicked again and just left. So
Okay, good
they
to know.
might do the same shit again.
This'll catch him.
Info to your team is always nice. Okay, Julie's out.
Grandpa taught me this little trick.
So I'm gonna head outside.
You're about as useless as a holdout slop bucket. Damn it, boy. I'm a...
I'm gonna try to angle a trap to land right where they do, which is like right about here. I think that's where it
see
is.
this. It always works.
Someone's out, so
You think that...
both of us swung on each other. Situation tense. We gotta hit on somebody. Got that.
Too bad Grandpa ain't eat.
He was the best there ever was. True. Trap. It's good. Bubba has chainsawed like all the doors. I appreciate that. Well, not all the doors. Didn't turn out the window. There's no way it's not.
Attention, waiting.
Yep.
We
there
gotta
go.
end this. Now you listen. I ain't much interested in chasing you around.
Where's this guy going?
I told you I was tired of. I don't much enjoy being violent, but I got no choice here.
I got the generator off
I gotta get my stamina back. He's gotta be getting low. Yep.
Yeah, he did that last time.
They got trouble now.
Very good pile on the window. Okay, so this was not in the right spot, but they were definitely laying on it.
Need somewhere good.
Maybe I back it up just a little bit. Like right here. Because it needs to be on their
Somebody around
feet.
here has to catch 'em.
Okay, my traps are still up. Yeah, you can use your middle mouse to check traps and make sure they're good.
Oh, Julie's here. On me. I got it.
Too bad in my traps. The DC beforehand is so bitch made because it fucks over everyone's score. We didn't get the bonus points for a full wipe. Like, don't be that person who does that. That's so shitty. Like, you lost. It's not your fault. Your entire team threw. Like, that's just how it is. But yeah, GG. Man, people are starting to get high level in this game. We've got a 56 in our lobby and like a 50 something on the enemy team.
Gonna be lots of meat tonight. Yeah.
Okay, this is like the first time they haven't triggered that instantly. Is what I was gonna say. Connie's already out. What do we think she went to? Well, he's getting spots that I don't see.
This little trick. in this family. You ever had Hitches?
Put it up
It's
here because
good.
it's a really common
Come here, I'll show you.
traversal spot. Why does it look so wide this time though?
They'll never see this. It always works. You come out now. I'll get in.
Where is the fuse box? Not in here. So it's in here, which sucks. This is a really good spot for them to have fuse box. I'm just gonna put this here. 2 victims snared.
Come on out now. Come on. It's time to slaughter this.
Okay. Okay, I will go back around. Someone's here. Yeah, Leland. She's gotta be getting low. Well, there's that one. I need to get my trap set back up. My chase's not auto around for an hour. Ow. Sleepy time. Alright, well. I hear someone. Oh, it's Cook. There's someone right here, Cook. What the fuck are you doing? What? Cook? Brother, what? In use. What? I'm just not gonna swing on you because I know what you're doing. Okay, that's a ladder spot, so that's not good for you.
I got you, I got you.
Desperation knife he's gonna get away with because he's leading. And left I match like a god!
It's like Grandpa taught me.
Someone fell like right here. $4K! Yay! Man, you really get like no points if you don't feed Grandpa, huh? Poor Bubba. My trap's not level 3. It was literally like 4 points off. It's probably a glitch. Probably a graphical bug. But yeah, GG's. Okay.
Ooh, this is gonna be fun. Lots of fun.
No cook, so we don't have like the Giga defense run up.
I'm sick of eating scraps.
But I might be able to get something going
Gotta
here.
find them.
They are a 4-man though.
Grandpa taught me this little trick. I'll catch him.
They might try to jump out window. We'll see. If they do, I don't know. Because I should put a bone trap there. If they're gonna do it. But you gotta put it back like here. And if they're paying attention, they can like just go in from the sides, like I said in my video.
Why I gotta do
Just come in from the side and jump through.
everything in this
It works.
family.
But we'll see how much they're paying attention. Alright, they're still not done. So it looks like they're trying to get all the doors as fast as they can. I'm just going to collect blood.
Now, where are you?
They definitely got out somewhere, right? Since he went down, so I gotta stay up. It's fine for her to go down, we just both can't go down, you know? Because I have to patrol the area to make sure my bone traps don't get disabled and these don't get open. Okay. Check the back door real quick. Okay.
Go ahead.
Yeah, I see you.
Look at all this blood. They got trouble now.
Ow.
That sounded like it hurt. Yeah.
Oh, you poor little
Yeah, she's dead. You can't just take my traps. They do too much damage.
I might be saving. Ooh, this'll lead somewhere good.
Don't have to worry about that now. I might move window batter to that right
Go
there.
ahead and hide. I'll find you.
Or window
and
trap,
me.
sorry.
We're his favorites. That's why Grandpa taught us the best.
Can I put it here? No, I gotta put it front. Same. Actually, Leland might have been outside already, because they were running as a group. So he might be outside kicking the
You'll
gen.
never see this. It always works.
What the hell is happening? Why does that keep happening? Where I go flying back into the house. I do need to come out here and check things. Oh, Sissy's out here too.
Oh, love.
Too bad Grandpa ain't able. He was the best there ever was. You ain't getting out.
Nope. Sit down and die.
Grandpa's gonna love you.
That's 2 of them down now.
Ooh, old Dan is gonna be pissed off about this mess.
I'm gonna go feed Grandpa.
You're looking downright spry. Back and killing for him.
Shut that. Okay. Not a bad round so far. My traps have gotten some damage in. Don't know what Bubba's doing. Did that just open? That's locked still.
Don't let these kids escape. We can't get in any more trouble. I'm tired of messing with you. You get out of here.
Did he swing on someone over here? Okay, he's upstairs chopping stuff. That's good. He should be doing something with his time. Chopping doors, chopping crawl spaces, anything he can. Why is this shut? Shouldn't be, like ever. No, that's not true. I've actually been considering having doors shut more often because it's harder.
I should have made more of them traps. Hey, sis!
I guess I can't save you after all.
Glad I was walking by and seen that. Okay, so they're definitely together out here. So where's Sunny? There's no way Sunny's not out here.
I like that.
Yeah. Not a bad run so far.
Drink it now,
Hey,
Grandpa. Get your
Grandpa.
fill.
Is it just AFK down there?
Where'd you scurry off to now?
Hmm. Oh, he's dead. Nice. Good job. GG's. Beat a 4-man. Not bad. Traps were strong. Traps were strong. We caught the Julie early, and she tried to just face tank the trap and run through it, and it ultimately got her like immediately killed because of all the damage it does. And so Sissy just had to hit her once, and she went down. So yeah, not bad. I think that showed pretty well what it can do. GG's.